Welcome to Tech and Carry, and today I'll be unboxing the Dell docking station WD19 USB-C. The box contains three components: the dock, the power brick, the AC adapter, and the extension cord that plugs into the AC and the power brick. The Dell docking station is plugged directly into the AC outlet, so consequently the USB-C Thunderbolt cable plugged into the Thunderbolt port powers the laptop. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was very informative. Please like and share, and stay tuned for weekly content. In addition, if there are any other topics that you would like me to cover, please comment in the section below.